What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I've got another unboxing for you today. This green bag is from Memory Lane, Atlanta. But first, I've got a word for you. This is a word that spoke to me week before last, the weekend before Valentine's Day. Haley had talked to me about some conversation she was having with a friend, and I hope you're watching because this says something to me. It says, "Your word is a lamp unto my feet." This is Psalms 119, 105. "Your word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path." And there was a lot in this devotional, but it basically showed me was a light unto my feet. Even if I'm in the dark at home, I know where my bed is, my couch in my room, my dresser. I know where my steps are going up to the upstairs level. I know where all those things are. But if it is really, really dark and I can't see, or my eyes haven't adjusted, like I would feel for stuff, and I'm anxious while I'm walking. And I'm right here. Mm-hmm. And if I'm imagining myself like in the woods, in a place I'm kind of unfamiliar with, something that might already be a little, what's the word? Unknown to me, yeah. Unknown territory. So in the woods, and it's dark, there's no moon out, I really can't see anything. Even if I even knew which direction, if I could even tell which direction I needed to walk in, there might be branches, there might be sticks, there might be rocks, there might be a ditch, a little hole, and walking is treacherous and it's scary. Like, I don't like doing that. I'm not really afraid of the dark, but like walking through the dark, there's that game where you stare into the campfire and then everybody turns around and runs, and the person that gets farthest away from the campfire wins. Mm-hmm. You ever heard that game? Yeah. Because it's dark outside, and if you stare into the fire, then your pupils dilate. No, they get smaller, whichever one that is.
They undilate.
No. And so when you turn around, you can't see anything. So, but as soon as you, if you were in that dark, not forget about the campfire game. But if you're in that situation, like as soon as you flip the light on, as soon as you turn on a flashlight, and you can see where you're going, and even if there is a little rock in front of you or a branch in front of you, you just move it out of the way, you just step over it, and all of a sudden there's no more worrying. And really the only way that happens, the only way that he actually becomes a light into your path, is through knowing how much that he loves for you and cares for you. And we talked about that verse before. What was it, Haley?
Psalms 19, something like that. Would you like me to do that for you?
No. Yeah, Psalms 23 though.
Oh.
And that's, "Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, because you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me." Your rod and his staff, talking about Jesus as if he was a shepherd. I like the idea of Jesus as a shepherd, because now that I have a German shepherd, and he watches, his favorite spot is in the very middle of the house where he can see the front door and the back door, and he just stares out the front door. And so he's watching over us. But he is, though. He really is. Yeah. I don't know necessarily that he'd bite an intruder. Probably would.
Yeah, I was gonna say he probably would.
But you still don't know it for sure. But he's definitely watching out for us. Anyways, this is a trade from Memory Lane, Atlanta. I go into Memory Lane probably an average of once a week. Every once in a while I don't go, and every once in a while I go more than once a week. And most of the time, if I see something online, by the time I get there, even though it's only 20 minutes down the road or less, it's gone. Like a used Concord that's in really good condition and that kind of stuff. But I saw both of these had come up on there. This isn't exactly what I was going for, but I traded a couple shoes for this and actually got a little bit of cash back. Part of that reason is because these are used, but they're very lightly used. But then I might actually wear it if it's already used.
Yeah.
So I'm okay with this. I was talking with Haley today. I showed her that the Jordan 4 Red Glow has now been pushed again to when?
June 24th.
June the 24th. Here. Jordan 4. It's a really nice looking shoe. I'm pretty sure. No, I don't think I did put that on my 2020 Must Cops.
It's on my 2020 Must Cops.
I like it a lot, but it's not a Must Cop. Or, I don't know. I know I originally thought about putting it in that video. I don't know if it made it to it, but it's definitely going to be a good one. And this is not the Jordan 4.
Wah, wah, wah.
But we're going to take a look at this one anyway. Haley, what box is this?
That is a Jordan box.
Nice.
I don't know. 5.
A Jordan 4.
Oh.
Let's see I don't know if this colorway here gives
that box is a little
It kind of does. This is the Jordan 4 Retro. Dark gray, green glow.
Didn't you have these?
Common gray, black. No, I did not.
Oh, well, no, these are.
So again, these are used. You can see this box is used, very used. The price tag was ripped off of it.
I don't know where the price tag was. Oh, yes, I do.
This, the original tag, not the memory lane.
Well, whatever, you saw the box.
But again, I got money back for my shoes because my shoes were worth more than this. I think I traded a patent bread and a Red Thunder, and I got money back. I mean, like one shoe for this one, and this is your next video, or another video you'll see shortly. That's so both. But I got money back on both of them. So, anyways, Haley has not seen this, so I'm gonna show you while Haley has her eyes closed. While Haley has her eyes closed,
I closed them.
Let you get a good look at it. And then Haley's going to open her eyes and we're going to listen to her reaction.
I hope you can see it, because I can't.
My eyes are open.
I mean, the camera.
So we got a quick look.
Hopefully you
All right,
can
Haley.
see it. Oh, yeah, I like those.
The green glow.
Oh, yeah. I've
So
never
the
seen
red
those
glow
before.
is pretty much the same thing, except these are red. I assume that the back of the tongue is red. I don't think that the bottom is red on the red.
I think it's black.
We put it here, but look, hey, we're going to put it side by side. Side by side. Just to get that picture. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Obviously, this is not an OG colorway, so it does not have. It's a little dented down here. I just want to get that out of there. Oh.
Oh, that was funny.
But this is not an OG colorway, so you don't get the Nike Air on the back. Everybody likes the Nike Air. I like the Nike Air too.
Gosh, I love Jordan 4s.
Yeah, and I knew you'd like these. This is like your favorite color, right?
It's not,
Pretty
but
close.
it's no. I still like the color, but
What's your favorite
my
color?
obsession, probably, I don't know.
Oh, this used to be your favorite color.
Yeah, back in like 3rd grade and to like 5th grade. But I just let y'all keep saying it's my favorite color because it's okay. It doesn't bother me anymore though. Like the color doesn't.
This is a shoe that I can see myself wearing frequently. It doesn't look like it's worn much. Actually, there's a little bit of drag on the toe right there.
Yeah.
No drag on. I guess this was a toe dragger because I mean there's very little creasing through here. I mean you can tell it's worn.
Yeah.
But and you can see the discoloration in here. It's yellow inside of there.
Yeah, I do. Ew.
You probably see it more on this side because I can see the light coming through it.
Kinda, yeah.
Lights back.
Oh, I can see it either way.
I can't remember when this came out. I think this is 20. Oh, I guess I can see the production date. Production date. Wow. February to May 2013.
I was gonna say 2011.
This is a 9. I didn't even realize it was that old. I knew it was old, but not that old. Like for a 9-year-old shoe, this is beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
I kind of don't want to wear it.
Oh my lord, you shouldn't have checked it.
Yeah. That's ridiculous.
Wow. Jordan 4s are just so
Can you see
beautiful.
that it's the Jumpman in there? It's rubbed. It's still there though. You can still see it. And you can see that the tag, the size 11 tag sticker, is now worn into the bottom of the shoe.
Ew.
I mean, they're used. I did take a little sniff of these because it was a quick, short sniff. Not because I really wanted to smell the Jordan or the person's foot. It's because I wanted to make sure they didn't stink. If they stunk, I'm not going to get another used shoe. They didn't stink. There was no paper in here. I'm okay with that too.
Right, because you don't want your paper rubbing off on their shoes.
I do not. Feel that this is like buttery. Buttery.
Oh yeah.
New buck.
I hope they have that on the red ones.
I would assume they're going to be very, very similar.
I think I actually like the red ones more than that.
No, I like.
I think just because I have more red. I don't have anything that color. Oh, maybe I do.
Favorite color.
Boy.
But I like these a lot.
I also like those a lot.
I am absolutely going to keep these at least until I've got the red glows on this table so that I can have them side by side because I don't know who's going to have these things together, right?
You're right.
From this being
9 years ago.
Yeah, 9 years. Yeah, 9 years. Yeah, I already did the math. I can do math. So thanks for watching. This is my first video that I've made of a memory lane trade. So thanks memory lane for the trade.
Is that all you traded for?
All, huh?
Is that all you traded for?
No, I got another one right here.
Did you say that?
I did. You weren't watching. Come on,
I forgot. Sorry.
I need to clean that.
You.
But that video, that trade video is coming very soon, or maybe even after you see this, or before you see this. My very first trade on trade block video is coming. I'm excited to make that video because it's an interesting trade. And having been on trade block for a while now, I'm just like, yeah, this is kind of ridiculous. But be ready for that video. Enjoy making this video for you. I enjoyed getting these shoes. Maybe I'll get some on foot for this. I know that you've already seen the Cardinal video. Hesper and I were both talking about how we liked it. Miguel, one of my friends, commented, I think he commented on the video, but he at least told me directly that it didn't look like that Hesper really liked the shoe.
She never
wore it
does.
the very next day.
And she wore it today.
And today. Yeah, she wore it.
Hopefully she'll let me wear it
Sunday
tomorrow.
and Monday. We got them on Saturday. She wore them Sunday and Monday. And then we got these.
That's something you have to look out for with Hesper though. She doesn't ever act like she likes anything.
I am not keeping those shoes though.
Your size? Oh well,
Yeah,
obviously.
I'm going for the Fire Reds. I don't need the Cardinals. Fire Reds come out in a couple months, I think, and that's what I want. I don't want the
Fire Reds is a force.
The threes.
Oh.
Red glows. are
Oh,
the
red
fours
glows.
that match
Yes,
these.
yes.
So, be ready for the next videos. Tell me what you think about this old retro. It's just beautiful. And
I thought you said it wasn't a retro.
it's a retro. Yeah.
Oh, you
It's
maybe
not
said
OG.
it wasn't OG.
It's not
Yeah.
OG colorway,
Mm.
but it's a Jordan 4 retro. Tell me what you think about it. Comment down below. Smash that like button. Tell your grandma. Make sure you're subbed and ring the bell. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes. Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire!